It's now day 3 of Black Friday week at HeatPressNation. So let's take a look at what's new. 15% off of the 14-inch Vinyl System Specialist Cutter. $279.99 for Silhouette Cameo 4 12-inch cutters. 10% off for all heat transfer vinyl, including sheets and rolls from Caesar, Specialty Materials, and Sparkleberry ink. 10% off Nina heat transfer paper. 20% off for Paraby heat transfer paper. And 10% off all of Forever's heat transfer paper. If you don't want to miss out on any deals during our biggest sale of the year, you could text the word HEAT to 20198 to stay up to date as soon as they launch. For a more overall look, you can always visit heat.press/sale for the full breakdown of today's deals and everything from before. We'll see you tomorrow.